Have you ever had the feeling of being in a wonderland when looking for a new hair product?
I see.
Not knowing what's really for your hair type? Are you type 1 to 2, straight and slightly wavy? Type 3, wavy and curly? Or type 4, coarse and coily? Introducing H.O.M.E Hydration Oil Moisture Earth, USDA Certified Organic. These 4 elements are infused, formulated, and blended 5 ways for you to choose the right solution for your hair. So, before you go down the rabbit hole, what's your hair type?